What's the matter, Jersey? You want to meet him? You want to meet him? Jersey's behavior was really weird a minute ago. I think she's nervous, like, I think she wants to see if it's George, because he's making some of the same noises George made, and believe me when I say she's seen videos of George and gotten upset and, like, went up to the screen and kissed the video. Like, baby. You want to see if it's him? Why are you acting like that? It's not him, baby. It's not George. You like him? I think she's trying to figure out how to let him out. Is this a new friend for you? I can't believe you guys are so social. Yeah. But you weren't supposed to meet him yet. You guys are all so social, huh? You're a social bird? Do you want him to come out? All right. Hold on, the dogs are barking at something that's freaking me out. Jersey's excited though.